In this video, I am going to teach you how to create layers in Bluebeam. Layers help you organize markups and control visibility, making complex drawings much easier to manage. Let's get started. First, click the layer icon at the sidebar. It looks like stacked sheets and opens the Layers panel where all existing layers are displayed. Then, select the Add New Layer icon. This button allows you to create a fresh layer for new markups or annotations. Next, choose between Add Before or Add After. For this video, I'll go with Add Before to insert the new layer above the currently selected one. After that, enter the layer name you prefer. This helps you easily identify the layer's purpose later on. Lastly, click OK. Your new layer will now appear in the list and is ready for use. And that's how you create layers in Bluebeam. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple guides like this.
See you next time!